Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Chase Bank. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log into your online banking account for Chase Bank right from your computer, then here's how to do it. Start off by opening up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box appearing at the top of the screen, type in www.chase.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page of Chase, you'll be able to see a sign in button popping up right on the right side of the screen. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button. Once you find yourself in the login area, go ahead and enter your username associated with your online banking account. Once you do that, head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct as well. You can check if your password is correct or not by clicking on this little eye icon. If you want the system to remember you, click on Remember Me so that next time you try to log into your account, you won't have to type in your credentials again and again. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to leave it unchecked for your security. In case you don't remember your username or your password, click Forgot Username/Password link and follow the on-screen prompts so that you can look for your username or to reset your password. If you're not enrolled or signed up for Chase online banking account, you can click on Not Enrolled, Sign Up Now link and follow the registration process. Finally, after your credentials are correct and you'd like to sign in, click the sign in button in blue. That way, you'll be able to get access to your online banking account for Chase Bank right away using your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.